Hello everyone! The Christmas videos are finally here, and this week we made a very original Christmas calendar. Today we make an advent calendar with El Gato rainbow and La Gata moon. Before we start, I want to show you my Christmas nails because I think they're adorable. Do you like them? Well, and for the activity we're going to use these containers with lids that are used for sauces. Because they have the perfect size for what we want to do today. We're going to use 25 in total, one for each day. And for the base of our calendar, we're going to use a piece of cardboard like this one. Although if you have construction paper, it works as well. We're going to start by painting our cardboard to make it look nicer. We're going to make the shape of a tree, so you can make it green if you want, but we wanted to make it white so that it reminded us of the snow. The paint has dried, so now it's time to put the containers that I showed you before in the shape of a Christmas tree, because we think it can look very funny. You can also do it in a circular shape as a Christmas wreath, whatever you like. Now that they're all in place, we're going to mark the contour to know where to cut, leaving a little margin so that we can decorate it a little bit more later. We remove the cups so that we can cut it well. And that's it! Here you can see how it's all cut out. And now we're going to give it that touch of snow that I was telling you about, using this snowflake confetti that we had. I separated it into the two colors that I had, and I'm putting in alternating blue and white, so that all the flakes can be seen. To glue them I used a hot glue gun, although with white glue they would have also stayed very well. And now we're going to glue our little cups one by one until we cover the cardboard tree completely. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It helps us a lot to keep creating new videos every week. And now comes the best moment. We grab our favorite chocolate candies, and we're going to put them in the containers like this. As you can see, the size is perfect. They all fit easily. And now that we have filled the cups, we're going to close them one by one so that the candies don't come out. And finally we can put the numbers on our calendar. Here you can write them yourselves on the lids, or you can use these drawings that we're going to use. They have all the characters of the series with Christmas drawings, so that the kids can get excited every day they have to open one. We'll leave the link in the description of the video. We've put them at a very low price so that anyone who wants them can use them in their advent calendar. I've laminated them so that they're more protected, although that is totally optional. And now we cut them all out like this. And now we have all the numbers cut out. All that's left to do is to glue them with a little bit of silicone on top of the lids, in the order that you want. We wanted to alternate them so that each day you have to look for the number, although you can also put them in order and it will look great. And just like that, we have already made our super original advent calendar. What do you think? We love the results. Every day you have to go to that day's number, see what chocolate candy is there, and eat it, of course. Tell us in the comments what you think of this idea and if you're going to do it at home. And before we go, this week we want to send a very special greeting to Manuel and Pablo. We hope you like this video. You can also watch it in Spanish on our channel. See you next week with another Christmas idea. Bye!